Hi and welcome to Naughty Hooks. I'm Phaedra and today we're going to learn about the slip stitch. The slip stitch is just a real quick insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through all loops. It is abbreviated with SLST. So here I have a row of single crochet. I've chained one for my turning chain, and now to slip stitch I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. I'm not going to yarn over again. I'm just yarning over once to pull up a loop and pull it through. Yarn over, pull up, pull through. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up, pull through. 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 Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up, pull through. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up, pull through. That is how you slip stitch. And you're just slipping along, not really making a stitch with any height. This is what it looks like on the back and how it looks on the front. And there you have it, slip stitch. Thank you for watching. You can find all my videos on naughtyhooks.com. Click on the Stitch Tutorials tab and you'll find what you're looking for.